All right, let's do number 10 on the slope-intercept worksheet. It asks to convert the following equations into slope-intercept form. This equation is given in standard form, and we could create a table and graph it and try and figure out the slope and eventually try and figure out the y-intercept graphically, but that would take a lot more work than to do it algebraically. So first, we want to get it into this form, y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. But right now we have both the x term and the y term on the left-hand side, whereas in the slope-intercept form, you'll notice the y is on the left-hand side, and the x term is on the right-hand side. So that's the first thing we want to do, is to get the x term over on the right-hand side. So let's subtract 4x from both sides. That leaves me with 5y, cleaner looking 5, negative 4x plus 12, or 12 minus 4x. We want to have the x term in front of the constant, which will end up being the y-intercept. But this is not 1y, this is 5 y's. So how do we get 1y by itself? We divide by the coefficient, we divide by 5. If we divide the left-hand side by 5, we want to divide the right-hand side by 5, which means every term. Which means we have negative 4x over 5 plus 12 over 5. And look what that gives us. Y equals negative 4/5 x plus 12/5. Are we done? Do we really have a way to check it? Not easily. We could substitute some points, try and find a point that satisfies this, and then substitute into here. Because they're ugly numbers, I will let you get away with not doing that. But if you have extra time on a test, that'd be a good way to check your answer.